Hi, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. Today, quick video. My taillight, or actually my left rear turn signal, stopped working. You want to know how I found out? My dashboard had an indicator. I have a 2016 Jeep Wrangler JKU, and I didn't even know this, but the dashboard displayed that my rear turn signal was malfunctioning. So I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb. Very simple. Thank you for watching. So as I'm driving, this signal came out on my dashboard. Left rear turn signal lamp out. I actually didn't know I would have this warning, but now you know on a 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Now, what I normally know is this is what happens. A very fast pulsating blinker usually means one of the bulbs are out. So either way, we're going to change the bulb. Okay, you can see that the driver's side turn signal is turning very fast. And if we go to the back, there is nothing on the back. So the indicator was correct. I just went ahead and bought the regular and incandescent turn signal bulbs. I'm going to replace both sides since one went out. The other one's going to go out soon. I'm going to show you how to do it. A lot of people upgrade to the LED lights, and basically it's going to be the same process, except you're going to use an LED compatible bulb. It's pretty simple to remove this and replace it, but if this is the driver's side, you're going to go to the right Phillips screw and the lower right Phillips screw head and just remove those, and that's how you're going to access the bulb. On the other side, if you replace them, you're going to go to the inside, the left top and the left bottom to replace it. Let's show you how. Just remove the top inside screw and the lower inside screw. Okay, so when you remove this off and you set it down, the lower one, that's going to be, see the white, that's your backup light. And the upper one is going to be your brake light as well as a turn signal. So if you take this off and you look at it, and you put it up against the black, you can tell, you see how it's burnt. So we're going to just replace this. All we're going to do is pull up and then pop the other one in. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. There, pulled it off with one hand, and then I'll replace the other one in that same kind of horizontal slot that you see right there. Okay, we got a new bulb. See how clean it is. What we're going to do now is just plug it into the upper connection, and then we are going to put the bulb back into its position. Remember to turn clockwise. Once you do that, to lock it in, we'll put the full section of the taillight back into the Jeep, and we will just tighten up the two right Phillips screws. Okay, so now it's working, and we can do the other side. That's your choice. You can wait till it fail, or you can replace them both at the same time since you bought a pair of bulbs. Please like if it helped, and thank you for visiting.